Hi guys, I'm Mark and today you join me in Priorslee, Telford. Now I'm currently sitting in a 3-bed semi-detached property with garage and off-road parking for 2 cars. It's a beautiful property, the owners have done it up really nice and it's going to be coming to market very soon. So I want to show you around this property. It's in a great location, we're not too far away from the M54 Junction 4. There's some great amenities nearby as well. So follow me, let's take you around and let you have a look inside this gorgeous 3-bed. Okay guys, there you have it. I really do hope you've enjoyed the tour of this 3-bed semi-detached in Priorslee. I've certainly enjoyed showing you guys round. Now, if you are interested, please reach out to me. You can drop me a message on any of the social media channels that you found this video on. You can reach me at 077 89 647 226 and we can look to get you booked in to view this one ASAP. So that's it for me. See you guys in the next video. Have a great day.